Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will talk about how to make a Valorant Premier team. So first we have to open Valorant and click on Premier. In Premier we have to click on Create Team. Now you have to accept the terms that they give you. Click Accept. You have to give a team a name. I'll give my team's name Team Nix and give the tag Nix as well. Now confirm. Now we have to select an avatar for our team. You can customize it however you like. Save. After that you need some teammates, so click on invite teammate. From here you can invite your friends by clicking on this button. Also your friends have to have their account verified before they can play in your team. Now in hub you can see the schedule, match history, you can see all the matches played, and in standing you can see your standing in the current division. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.